Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live. Let's take a look at markets here as we are seeing some slippage. Our Jared Blikre is on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with some details for us. Hey, Jared.
Hey there, Julie. Well, as you pointed out earlier in the show, we are indeed just kind of zigzagging along here. Let's take a look at the Wi-Fi Interactive, where we are seeing the S&P 500 start the day down, but this is a 2-month candlestick chart, not the usual year-to-date that we look at, so you can see a little bit more detail. We are definitely in a trading range right now, and we are at the lower end, and the timing is interesting. It is a Tuesday morning, so I would look for a potential reversal to the upside in the first hour of trading. That might suggest that we are on our way to the upside for the week, but nevertheless, until we break out of this range, doesn't matter that much. A couple things I'm keeping my eye on. The bond market in particular, we got the 10-year and the 5-year at about 3.0%. Here's the 10-year. Here is that 5-year looking a little bit stronger. They're back up by its highs. And then we want to take a look at the Japanese yen. There we go, USD JPY. Now let me put a line chart on here. We are at the highest level that we have seen in 2 months. Guess what? 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. We got to put a max chart on because we are at the highest levels since 2001, 2002, and that is risk on. So it suggests there might be some resolution to the upside here, which would frustrate a lot of people who are just waiting for that all clear capitulation. Just throwing that out there. So today we have energy in the forefront again. That's up 1%, followed by healthcare. Everything else in the red. Consumer discretionary leading the way down, not surprisingly, with that Target news. Now, here's the Nasdaq 100. We're seeing some weakness in Amazon. Again, that's probably a retail story. That's down about 2.5%. And just let me pull up a chart here. We haven't taken a look at Amazon in a while, but it has been trading in a range. Here's a 3-year chart. We are back down to potential support around 105, so we're going to have to see what happens in here. But 140 is a level that it broke down from, and probably not going to mean much until it gets back up there and can push through. But this is a very range-bound stock recently. Let's take a look at some of the other sectors. I want to take a look at China because that has been on the move. You'll notice all the green here. That is a departure from what we have seen in all the other stocks and all the under industry classes here. So China's on my radar here, potentially breaking to the upside.
All right, Yahoo Finance's own Jared Blikre on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Thanks so much for the updates there, Jared. We'll check back in later on today.